Hi guys, in this video I will share with you a remedy that under the skin pimples overnight. Blind pimples are easier to hide with concealer. They also last longer and are trickier to tackle. And perhaps worst of all, a pimple under the skin can scar if you give in to the temptation of squeezing. Blind pimples can be quite painful according to the experts. A blind pimple is similar to a regular blemish in that both are caused by the blockage of an oil gland which leads to an inflammatory reaction. But don't worry, in this video I will share with you a remedy to get rid of under the skin pimples overnight. But before starting the video, please subscribe to my channel for more videos like that. So to make this remedy, first ingredient you will need toothpaste. Toothpaste is often thought of as an inexpensive pimple treatment. Toothpaste as a spot treatment is probably due to the fact that many brands of toothpaste contains ingredients to help combat bad breath. And the idea is if they kill bad breath bacteria, they will also kill pimple causing bacteria. So just add a small amount of toothpaste to a small bowl. So the next ingredient you will need is raw honey. Raw honey helps balance the bacteria on your skin, which makes it a great product to use for pimples under skin. Raw honey has been studied as an anti-acne product and found to be significantly more effective than other popular products. Honey speeds up your skin cells healing process. Raw honey is also a natural exfoliator, which means applying it to your skin takes off dry, dull skin and reveals new skin cells underneath. So just add half tablespoon of raw honey to it. So the last ingredient you will need for this remedy is cinnamon oil. Cinnamon oil has been used to treat a host of respiratory, digestive and even gynecological conditions. In a recent survey of medical literature trusted source, cinnamon oil has been shown to have potential antimicrobial, antiparasitic, antioxidant and anti-inflammatory benefits in animals. It may also have wound healing properties. Cinnamon essential oil being rich in antifungal, antibacterial and antioxidant properties. Cinnamon oil can effectively fight against the microbes contributing to the skin problem. So just add few drops of cinnamon oil to it. Now mix all ingredients very well. Apply this mixture directly to the blind pimples using a cotton swab. Leave it on overnight, rinse it off in the morning. So there are some preventions for pimples under the skin. Wash the face twice daily. Refrain from harsh scrubbing. Keep hair clean. Consider topical. So that is for today guys. I hope you like this video. If yes, so give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe. Thank you.